Welcome to while statement. We'll take one simple example. So what we want to do is we want to add some of the first n numbers. Some of the first n numbers. That means we want to add 1 up to n. That means if n is 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3. If n is 5, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 5 plus 5. Okay, up to n, first n numbers. Remember only the first n numbers. Okay, we can actually add random n numbers also, but we are considering the numbers in sequence starting from 1 up to n. Okay, while this condition is true, sum equal to sum plus I. Sum value is initially 0, I value is 1. So while I less than or equal to n, so as long as I doesn't reach n, what you are doing, we are just adding and then we are incrementing the value of I. That means because I value is 1, what we are adding it. After adding, what we have to do? We have to make the value of I as 2, because we want to add the numbers from 1 to n. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 dashes to n. So we are incrementing the value of I. So like this we are printing. Like this we are printing. Let me execute it. Let me build it first. Let me execute it. I will give the value of n as 5. So the sum of first n numbers is 15. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. That is 15. So give the value of n as 3. So 1 plus 2 plus 3, what is it? 6. So this is 6. This is a simple example of while statement. Thank you. Thank you for joining.